Now the sixth question. Here children, 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. See children, if here in the constant side, that is in the RHS, if it is simply 6, that equations we can say that is the standard form of or general form of pair of linear equations in two variable, because this LHS is satisfying that required condition to become two equations, a pair of linear equations in two variables. So but here in this case what happened? Here the RHS is not a constant. So how can we make this RHS constant? That is, we need only 6 alone in RHS, that is a constant. So xy should be eliminated. That means we have to divide this 6xy with xy. This turned into 6 only. The same way 5xy divided by xy, this will become 5. But if you are doing something in RHS, the same should be done for the LHS also. That is the very important condition. Okay, then only it will again become equivalent equation. Okay, so we have to divide both LHS and RHS of the given equations with xy in order to make the RHS a constant. Is it okay children? Here, since here the variables x and y are in the numerator, but these equations also reduce, then only it will make a general form of pair of linear equations in two variable. It will be of that form. Okay, so that is the first step, that is we are going to divide the equations with xy. Both equations with xy, we will get 6x plus 3y divided by xy, and this is equal to 6xy divided by xy. The same way the second one, 2x plus 4y divided by xy is equal to 5xy divided by xy, RHS and LHS with xy. Here see, this is the first one. So this again turned into, after this cancelling this xy from RHS, from numerator and denominator, this is 6, here this become 5. But what happened here, the problem comes in the LHS part. Here the previous case what we have done, we splitted and we have given the denominator to both the terms in the numerator. That means 2x divided by xy plus split and give the denominator. So 4x divided by xy, that is the rule. Okay, so now it turned into the previous problem, just like previous question. Okay, so I am giving this xy to x6x by xy plus 3y by xy. The reason is clear children, because this xy is for both the terms of the numerator, that is why splitted and given the denominator to both the terms of the numerator. Okay, so this is equal to 6. Okay, so here from x, numerator and denominator x get cancelled, so this turned into 6 by y plus y get cancelled, so 3 by x alone, this is equal to 6. On this side, after splitting, 2x divided by xy plus second term divided with xy, and xy get cancelled, so in the RHS 5 alone. And from this you can cancel xx and yy from the second term. So this reduced in the form 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. Point is clear children? Just like previous case. Okay, just split and give the denominator for both the terms, so that you will get the equations of this form. But here again we have to continue the process, because here now the variables are in the denominator. Okay, so in order to make them the pair of linear equation, the general form of pair, so we have to give substitution, hence we can make them the general form of pair of linear equations. That means here also we need substitution, that is 1 by y, 6 by y, 6 by y is 6 into 1 by y. Okay, That means we have to substitute for 1 by y as u, and at the same time 3 by x is equal to 3 into 1 by x. Okay. So here we need substitution for 1 by x as v. Okay, so this equation is again reduced in the form 6u. Okay, 6u, and this is 3 sorry, v. So 6u plus 3v is equal to 6. Okay, is it clear, children? And here 2u 2 by y 2u plus 4v is equal to 5. Is it okay? See this one, children, this equation 6u plus 3v is equal to 6. This equation can be simplified. Why? Because 6, 3, 6 are the multiples, 3 is common. Okay, so the first equation, if you divide with the 3, that means 2u plus v is equal to 2. And this equation 2u plus 4v is equal to 5. What I have done is clear, children. In the first equation, after substitution, we have seen that 6u plus 3v is equal to 6. If each term of LHS as well as the RHS, any common factor, you can divide, you can simplify by cancelling the common factor. That is what I have done. 6 is a multiple of 3 and 6. So 2u, if you divide 3v with 3, v only, 6 by 3, that is 2. So, and there is no change for the second equation, even if 2 is common in LHS, but 5 is an odd number. Okay, if you want to reduce, you have to, there should be a common factor both LHS and in RHS. Then only you can simplify that equation. Okay, so we have now this equation. Now see, children, without multiplication, we have both equations with the same coefficient of u, 2u, 2u. In the previous case, what we have done to make them equal, we multiplied with the coefficient of u into second equation and equation 2 with the coefficient of u in the first equation. That step is not needed here. This is already in that form, both equation having same coefficient, that is 2u, 2u. So let it be equation number 1 and equation number 2. So in order to eliminate same coefficient with the same sign, you have to subtract. That is equation 1 minus 2 implies. Subtraction means you have to change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. So 2u minus 2u get cancelled. Okay, v minus 4u. That is 1 is the coefficient of v. So 1 minus 4. Isn't it? Coefficient of v is minus 4. So minus 3v equal to minus 3. 2 minus 5. Take the difference, okay, and sign will be negative. Negative 5, that is why negative 3. So from here v is equal to 3 by 3, that is 1. Negative, negative get cancelled. So we got v as 1. Okay, and in order to get u, you can substitute in equation number 1. And we can write that equation with respect to u. That is the term containing u is 2u alone in LHS. That is 2u, and that can be equated to 2 is in the RHS. So 2 and plus v become minus v. Okay, so what we got? The value of v as 1. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is 1. This is 2u. Hence u is equal to 1 by 2. This 2 will come to denominator. So we got value of u as 1 by 2 and v as 1. But what we have to solve for this equation, and in this equation the variables are x and y. So we need to resubstitute here. We have 1 by y equal to u. From this u is equal to, okay, we have y is equal to, we need variable y, so u will come to denominator as this y go to numerator. So 1 by u, that is 1 by, what is the value of u? That is 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 1 by 2, that is the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Or what idea, you can take the reciprocal and multiply. So 1 into 2 by 1. That case also you can reach into y as 2. Okay, and secondly we have 1 by x as v. We need x. So x can be taken to numerator so that y will come to denominator. So 1 by v is equal to x. From this x is equal to 1 by v, but we have v as 1, so 1 by 1 is 1 itself. So x comma y, we need the values of x and y, and we have seen that is x as 1 and y the value is 2. Y is equal to 2. So 1 comma 2. This is all about the 6th question. It's very, very important problem. Okay, now we are moving to the next problem. Now we are solving the 7th problem. Okay, this is also very, very important question. Okay, that is 10 divided by x plus y plus 2 divided by x minus y is equal to 4. 15 divided by x plus 5 minus 5 divided by x minus y is equal to minus 2. Here the variables x and y, you can see here in x plus y, okay, that is 10 in the first term, x minus y. In the previous case there was 2 variables x, y, but they are under multiplication x, y. Okay, here x plus y. Okay, so this problem is very, very important. Okay, both variables are connected by plus and minus sign. Okay, so since 10 divided by x plus y, that means we can substitute for 1 by x plus y as u. Okay, see here also x plus y in the denominator, x minus y, x minus y. So you can easily substitute and you can reduce them into pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Okay, so we can start with by substituting 1 by x plus y as u and 1 by x minus y as v. So this given equation become 10u plus 2v. I hope that idea is clear. 2 by x minus y is 2 into 1 by x minus y, and 1 by x minus y is v. So 2v is equal to 4. Here the same idea, 15 into 1 by x plus y, that is 15 u minus 5v is equal to negative 2. 5 by x minus y. Okay, so here see children, 10u plus 2v is equal to 4. Can we simplify this one? Because both are even numbers, so 2 is common. Okay, so if you divide equation, this let it be equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, see 15u minus 5v and that is equal to negative 2. Here in LHS part 5 and 5 are common, but RHS only negative 2. That means that is not the multiple of 5. So we can't reduce this or we can't simplify the second equation. But you can simplify the first equation since both LHS and RHS 2 is common. So I am dividing equation 1 with 2 implies. That is 5u plus 2v by 2v is equal to 4 by 2 is 2. So let it be equation number 3. Now we need the value of u and v by elimination method. So elimination, how we can eliminate one of the variable. Okay, but I am going to multiply equation 3 with the 3, because in order to make the coefficient of u of third equation 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay, so equation 3 into 3. Okay, so 5 3s are 15u plus here the coefficient is 1. So 1 3s are 3v equal to 6. 2 into 3 6. This is equation number 4. We have equation number 2 as 15u minus 5v is equal to minus 2. Okay, so equation 2 and 4. See equation 2 and 4. Okay, I am going to rub that third equation. Okay, so or you can subtract. Okay, this is equation 2 and this is equation 4. Okay, so by subtracting only you can eliminate the u term, that is 15u and 15u. So that is 2 minus 4 implies. So change the sign, then you can eliminate. So negative 5v, negative 3, negative 8v is equal to negative 2 plus negative 6, that is negative 8, and hence v is equal to 8 by 8, that is 1. This is the value of v. So in the same way, in the previous cases, in order to get the value of u, you will get from equation number 1. For that we are keeping 10u alone. With respect to 10u, you can calculate, that is 10u is equal to from 1, okay, 10u is equal to 4 is there in the RHS and plus 2v is minus 2v. That is 4 minus 2 into 1, vs 1, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2. This is 10u, but we need u, that is 2 divided by 10, that is 2 is common. Okay, so 1 by 5. That is the value of u is 1 by 5 and that of v is 1. But we need x and y, so we have to resubstitute here, that is 1 by x plus y is equal to u. Okay, that means here 1 by x plus y is equal to u is 1 by 5. Okay, you can take the reciprocal or you can multiply, cross multiply. Okay, or x plus y into 1, that is, which implies x plus y is equal to 5 into 1, that is 5. This is, but here see children, again two equations, two variables, x plus y. Okay, in the previous cases, after substituting for u and v, we got directly the values of x and y. But here, since the denominator having two variables under plus and minus sign, we won't get directly the values of x and y. Okay, let us see what we get after substituting x. 1 by x minus y as v as 1 we got. Okay, that means 1 by x minus y is equal to 1, or x minus y, 1 into x minus y, x minus y is equal to this one. If you take this to RHS, here this numerator is 1. See children, now we have again a pair of linear equations in two variables. So in order to get x and y, this should be eliminated. Why? Because here the variables are connected by plus or minus sign in the denominator. That is the reason. That is why in the beginning I told this problem is very, very important. Okay, so see x and x, the variables are same. Here minus y plus y. So in order to add these two equations, you can easily eliminate this y term, y. Okay, so if it is equation number, we reached it up to 4, 5 and equation number 6. If you add these two, this x plus x become 2x, and that is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. That is x is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. That is 3. Okay, if x is equal to 3, from 5, what is 5? That is x plus y is equal to 5. We need y, so we are keeping y term alone. Y is equal to 5 minus x, that is 5 minus 3, that is 2. Now we have the value of x as 2 and y as x as 3 and y as 2. Okay, that is x comma y is equal to 3 comma 2. These are the values of x and y. This is very, very important question. Now we are solving the last question, that is 8th question of first question, that is 8th sub question. Okay, it's very, very another important problem. See children, 1 by 3x plus y, the denominator. See, variables are there in the denominator, 3x minus y. Okay, and that is equal to 3 by 4. Here 1 by 2 into 3x x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. See children, here in the denominator of the first term 3x plus y, here 2 into 3x minus y, the first term. Here 2 into 3x minus y, there is minus 1 by 8. See, from the second equation, from the denominator, see, you can see 2 is a common factor, 2, 2, 8. So, there itself you can cancel. That is, this 2 and 4, this 8 become 4. Okay, that is 1 by 3x plus y minus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 4. This is the second equation. See, now 3x plus y, 3x minus y. Here also 3x plus y and 3x minus y. If we have any common factors, you can reduce them in the first step itself. Okay, then we can give substitution for what is it? Here 3x plus y is in the denominator, so we have to bring them into the RHS, that is 1 by 3x plus y, that is equal to u. Okay, so we can substitute, put 1 by 3x plus y equal to u and 1 by 3x minus y as v. So the above equations becomes. Okay, let us see 1 by 3x plus y, there is nothing is there in the 1 is there in the numerator. So u itself, u plus 1 by 3x minus y we have given as v, that is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, and here in the this second equation, here is u minus v is equal to minus 1 by 4. If you write together, u minus v is equal to minus 1 by 4. This can be easily done because after writing this together, see v and minus v. If you represent this by 1 and 2, okay, 1 and 2, if you add equations 1 plus 2 implies, 1 plus 2 implies this negative v and positive v get cancelled. If you are adding, no need to change the sign. Okay, you just add because they have same coefficient with a different sign, opposite sign. So that term get cancelled. So u become 2u is equal. But RHS part you just listen till because both are fractions. But this can be easily done because like fraction 4 are there. So that is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. We are adding, we are not making any change in the sign. So we can add, that is 3 minus 1 by 4. Why? Because there are like terms. Okay, so just subtract or add the numerator by keeping the denominator the same. That means 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. What is this? This is 2u. 2u is equal to 1 by 2 implies u is equal to, this 2 will come to denominator. 2 is already there in the denominator. So 2 into 2, that is 1 by 4. Problem is clear, children? It's very, very important, because see, after substituting, okay, we get this, we get cancelled. Okay, so 2u here in the RHS, these fractions, the constants are fractions. That doesn't matter. If you solve like this without any mistake, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, since they are like. Okay, so 3 minus 1 divided by 4, that is 1 by 2. Yes, children, from equation 1 we have v is equal to 3 by 4u. Okay, so we can substitute for u as 1 by 4, that is minus 1 by 4. We have seen that the value of u as 1 by 4, that is since they are like 3 minus 1 divided by 4, that is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. That is v is equal to 1 by 2 and u we have seen that 1 by 4. Okay, and we are going to resubstitute these values, that is 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4. We have seen that 1 by 4 is u. Okay, and from this, okay, you can take the reciprocal or cross multiply, and hence you will have 3x plus y is equal to 4, and in this side 1 by 3x minus y we have taken as, we can substitute v as 1 by 2, that is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, cross multiplication or reciprocal method, any method you can apply in order to get the final answer. Okay, see this new equations, equation number 3 and 4. See here both variables x and y, here 1, but here the here y is 1, x is 3 and 3, the same. Okay, but in order to eliminate y easily, you just add 3 plus 4. Why? Because same variable, same coefficient, opposite sign, plus 1 minus 1. So just add, you can get y get eliminated easily. So 6x, 3x plus 3s, equations adding means add LHS and RHS separately. Like terms can only add, can be added. So 6x is equal to 6, 4 plus 2, hence x is equal to 1, 6 by 6. Okay, and from we need y also, from equation 3, that is y alone, y, so 4 is there in RHS, so 3x come to LH, from LHS to RHS in minus 3x, that is 4 minus 3 into 1, x we got as 1, so y is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1, y is equal to 1. So x and y, the values as 1 and 1, 1 comma 1. This is all about exercise 3.6, question number 1. So we have solved 8 sub questions. Okay, and these all the problems are very, very important. Then only we can solve the word problems of the same exercise that we will solve in the next video. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Thank you all.